Hello, in this video I will show you how to use Shein gift cards. Now it's an extremely easy process. All you have to do is simply go to the website or the application. It will work on both. Then just simply add whatever you want to buy in your cart. So just simply go to a product and then just simply add the product into your cart. Just simply choose this option, choose the correct size and color, and after that just simply go to the cart section right over here and then proceed to the checkout section. Click on it. Now, once you're in the checkout section, over here you'll have the option of gift card, as you can see. So what you have to do is just enter your gift card number right over here in this section and then hit apply. Now, once we'll do that, the amount that you have inside the gift card will be deducted from the total amount of the bill, which you can see right over here. Now, let's say for example, your gift card has a total of $10. The moment you will enter the gift card number right over here and click on apply, all the balance right over here will be zeroed out because the money will be deducted from your gift card and will not be shown over here in the main balance. It will show $10 deducted from the gift card, not from the main balance. Now, in order to use this, make sure to enter the correct PIN of your location right over here and then click on apply. So after entering your code, click on apply. After the deduction of payment, enter your shipping address if you already have done. Now after completing the gift card section right over here and whatever amount have been deducted, the next thing that you will do is just simply enter your shipping address if you have already not done that. And if you have done that, just simply click on the save option right over here. Like for example, you can use PayPal or credit card, debit card or any other payment method given over here. Then just simply complete the payment process and in the end, click on place order. And that's it. So, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.